Iqra, Bismi Rabbikallazi khalaq. This is, dear people, how the Holy Qur'an, the noble book of the Muslims, starts. Read in the name of Allah, who created. And this is really surprising and lamentable that we, the Muslim Ummah, whose holy book starts with this same very verse, Iqra, Bismi Rabbikallazi khalaq, don't read books. This is highly doubtful that we, whose first lesson is to read, we are far away from reading books. You will hardly meet up a gathering of people or a group of students who are discussing books other than their course books. Okay, if you are in a wedding ceremony or in some other gathering, you hardly meet up a group of people who are discussing about some latest book or invention or a great novel or dramatist. No, on all different platforms of social media or in actual situations, there are two things we have ever to discuss: religion and politics. And I would say even in these two topics, we are so extremist in our talk that we believe that the only sect we believe is true and all other sects are wrong, that the only one religion we belong to is on the right path and all other religions and beliefs are false. And same in the politics, that I belong, for example, if I belong to the PTI, and I would say only PTI is a good and a trustworthy party and all other are just liars and cheaters and thieves. So this has become our habit, okay, which is a bad one. While to grow in the modern world of 21st century, the one thing we all need is to develop up a habit of reading, which we don't. And I don't know what's going on in Pakistan, particularly our younger generation who is so away from the reading habit. I don't know what's going to happen with them. Our younger generation is still worse. So what they believe in all these things is that doing some shitty thing on the social media is ultimately the cause of success. You know, even the meaning of success have changed. The students believe that reading books is just a waste of time. To succeed in life, you only need to go on TikTok or maybe on YouTube, which is a bad and misconception. Okay, so this is tragedy that even the believers of Iqra don't read books. Isn't that sad? Maturity, I believe, or wisdom, dear people, is the ultimate result of two things. One is that you suffer yourself from all the troubles and tribulations of life, or you read books. Okay, for example, if I have been suffering from different problems and troubles, after suffering all these 30 years, I write a book, okay, in which I tell that by doing this and that, you won't have to suffer yourself. So read that, okay. The first thing is that you suffer yourself and then learn a lesson. And the other situation and the other thing to avoid personally those sufferings is that you read. So read books, as many as you can, so that you could get maturity and wisdom for free. Otherwise, you have the second choice: suffer yourself, fall by the mouth, let a couple of teeth break, and then you learn the lesson of life. The choice is yours. That's it for today. This is Hassan, Akhtar, Nisar. See you next time.